The creation. The Bible's creation story is a powerful account that has shaped the faith of millions. It tells how God brought order from chaos, forming the heavens, earth, and life. Whether seen as literal or symbolic, it continues to inspire reflection on life's origins and purpose. Stay tuned as we explore its deeper meaning and lessons. In the beginning, the earth was dark and empty, yet God's presence was there. Then God said, "Let there be light," and light broke through the darkness, bringing order and purpose. God separated light from darkness, calling them day and night. This first act of creation symbolizes hope, clarity, and the power to overcome darkness. On the second day, God brought structure to the chaotic waters, saying, "Let there be a space to separate the waters." With this command, God created the sky, dividing the waters above from those below. This act symbolized order and balance, showing God's power to bring stability and calm where there had once been only chaos. God saw that it was good. On the third day, God said, "Let the water gather in one place, and let dry ground appear." With this, land emerged, and God called it land, while the gathered waters became the seas. Seeing the balance, God declared it good. Then he commanded the land to grow plants, trees, and fruit-bearing vegetation. The earth flourished, filled with life-sustaining plants. This showed God's provision, ensuring food, beauty, and balance for all creation. God saw that it was good. On the fourth day, God said, "Let there be lights in the sky to separate day from night." He created the sun for the day, the moon for the night, and countless stars to fill the sky. These lights provided order, marking seasons, days, and years. With this design, God brought rhythm to creation, and he saw that it was good. On the fifth day, God said, "Let the water be filled with living creatures, and let birds fly across the sky." The seas came alive with fish and great sea creatures, while birds soared above. God blessed them to multiply and fill the earth. The once empty seas and skies were now full of life, and God saw that it was good. On the sixth day, God said, "Let the land produce living creatures, and animals of every kind filled the earth, from livestock to wild beasts and crawling creatures. Each was unique, adding energy and purpose to creation. But God's greatest work was humanity. He said, "Let us make mankind in our image," and created men and women in his likeness. God blessed them with responsibility to care for the earth, rule over animals, and fill the world with life. He provided plants for food, ensuring everything had its place. Seeing all he had made, God declared it very good. On the seventh day, God had finished his work of creation. So he rested from all his work. God blessed this day and made it holy, setting it apart from the others. It was a day of rest, not because God was tired, but because he was showing the importance of stopping, reflecting, and appreciating what has been done. The creation story is more than just a beginning. It reveals our identity, purpose, and relationship with God. It reminds us that life is intentional, filled with care and meaning. Whether seen as history or poetry, it inspires us to live purposefully, care for creation, and embrace life's beauty.